Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to make this quite striking little bow with a contrasting centre band. And all you're going to need is some ribbon, some contrasting ribbon for the centre. Here I've used 6mm and I've cut a piece that's 4 centimetres long, and this one is 25mm ribbon and I've cut a piece 18 centimetres long, tail to tail. And all I'm going to do is fold the ribbon across like this and fold it there like that. Okay, then it should be easy enough to do, because where you cross is where your stitching is going to be. And I'm going to put a pin down the centre so it's easy for me afterwards. So that's done. Then I've already threaded my needle and put a good heavy knot on the end. You won't see it, it'll be hidden. And then going up through the centre, then remove the pin by that stage. Get to there, okay. Then pull through. This is the point where I hope I don't get any knots. And do that, and then go round there 3 or 4 times, even 5 if you're feeling generous. Make sure that's in the centre. Okay. You should see it, it should look equal. And then at the back you need to go through a few times in order to make a knot. So you've sealed that off, that's not going to move anywhere. Right, now at this stage you take your contrasting ribbon for the band and you can, if you like, if it makes your life any easier, put that pin that's stabbing yourself, as I did, there, so it's holding it in place. And then do 2 or 3 stitches here. Now you don't have to worry, because I'll take that out now. You've already put the you've sealed the edges so it won't fray and open. And then now do a knot here again at the back, and then go through there so you're tucking your cotton out of the way. Trim, turn over, and your bow is done. So that way you'll get nice even bows quickly and easily. So if you've liked what you've seen, please like and comment underneath the video, and before long you'll get some more. Thanks very much.